Hi friends, we are ready for Unit 4, Week 4, Day 2. This week we have been talking about insects, and we have been talking about how they're like and how they're different. And so far we've learned about praying mantises, katydids, thorn bugs, and we've learned a little bit about bees, caterpillars, butterflies, grasshoppers, and ladybugs. And we're going to continue to read about insects and find ways that they're alike and ways that they are different. All right, so we're going to go over our vocabulary words first. Our first vocabulary word is imitate. Can you say that? Imitate. To imitate is to act like someone or something else. Have you ever imitated to be your parents or maybe a brother or a sister? You copycatted them, right? We call it a copycat, right? Imitate. You pretend and act like someone else or something else. All right, maybe when you were little, you pretended that you were a dog. All right, our next word is protect. Can you say that word? Protect. If you protect something, you keep it what? Safe, right? You keep it safe and out of harm's way. So this little girl is protecting her cat or her kitten. All right, here's another word, resemble. Can you say that? Resemble. To resemble is to look like something else, right? So this little boy resembles his dad. He looks like his dad. My daughter resembles me. She looks a lot like me. And my son, he resembles my husband. He looks a lot like his dad. All right, today you're going to have to tell me which sound is in all three words. What sound is the same that's in all three words? So here you go. Bike, tie, fly. They all have the long I sound. Sold, mow, toe. Sold, mow, toe. They all have the long O sound. They say O. All right, let's do another one. Find, shy, night. Find, shy, night. They all have the long I sound. Stop, lock, not. Stop, lock, not. They all have the short vowel sound ah, ah. They have the short vowel O sound. All right, seed, teen, bee. Seed, teen, bee. They all have the long E sound. They say E. All right, last one. Cry, why, right. Cry, why, right. They all have the long I sound. This week we are learning about all the different ways that the long I can be spelled. I, Y, IGH, and IE can all say the I sound. All right, get those lion paws up, and we are going to go ahead and tap. Here we go. Night, night. I, high. Oh, light. Mind, mind. I, tie. Why, why. All right, we are going to try to spell some words today. Are you ready? All right, so what's this first picture of? Fly. Let's tap it. I, fly. All right, do you know how we would spell Fly? You have any guesses? All right, what's our first sound? F. What's our second sound? O. What says O? L. And what's going to say I at the end of a word? We'll do Y. F-L-Y. Fly. All right. Let's do another one. What's this word? Dice. Let's tap it. D-I-C-E. Dice. All right, what's my first sound? D. D. What's my second sound? I. What says I? I. S. I'll give you a hint. It's not S. That's right. It's a soft C. And guess what we need at the end of this word? An E. We have a bossy E at the end of dice. All right, what's this arrow pointing to? This arrow is pointing to a tie. Let's tap out tie. Ready? T-I. Tie. What's my first sound? T. T. I. I-E. Tie. T-I-E. All right, what's this arrow pointing to? This arrow is pointing to the sky. Let's tap sky. Sk-I. Sky. What's my first sound? S. Second, K. And last, Y. S-K-Y. Sky. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we are going to review our high frequency words. All right, the first time I want you to use your normal voice. Here we go. Caught, flew, no, laugh, listen, were. All right. Guess what? Today we can do some actions with these. Are you ready? All right, here we go. Caught. Can you pretend like you caught something? Caught. All right, what's this word? Flew. Let's pretend like you're flying in an airplane. Flew. All right. No. I know the answer. No. What's this one? Laugh. Let's everyone laugh. Ah! A laugh. All right, what's this last one? Or not the last one, second to last one. Listen. Can you cup your ear? Listen. All right. And this one is were. You can say, were you going to the store? Were? All right. Let's do them again with our actions. Are you ready? I'm going to go out of order. Flew. No. Listen. Laugh. Caught. And were. All right, great job. Now we are going to put those high frequency words in the blanks. All right, here we go. Read them with me. He blank a fly. He caught a fly. I blank at silly jokes. I laugh at silly jokes. The butterfly blank into the net. The butterfly blank into the net. The butterfly flew into the net. They blank playing outside. They were playing outside. We must blink to our teacher. We must listen to our teacher. Do you blink how to tie shoes? Do you know how to tie shoes? All right, guys, that's it for today. See you next time.